On the invitation of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, President Isaias Afwerki have been in Ethiopia for 3 days working visit. The presidential delegation includes Foreign Minister Osman Saleh and Presidential Advisor Yemaine Geber-Ab. President Isaias Afwerki and his delegation were accorded warm welcome by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed on arrival at Jimma Abba Jifa Airport. During the visit, the Eritrean delegation visited various development projects. Accompanied by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, President Isaias and his delegation visited Jimma University, the Hachalu Civic Center within the compound, coffee plantations and investments in the Oromia region, as well as power plants and Gilgil Gibi Dam in the southern region. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and Eritrean President Isaias Afwerki visit Africa's largest, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Much more awaits us. Success is inevitable, but marked progress is key. Pleased to have visited the Jerd with President Isaias, says Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. The dam is expected to start generating power with 2 turbines this year 2020 to 2021. President Isaias Afwerki and his delegation also visited the Ethio Engineering Group in Bishoftu, the Oromia regional state for the assembly of commercial and military vehicles, bicycles and other machineries. The delegation also visited the headquarters of the Ethiopian Air Force in Bishoftu. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, accompanied by President Isaias Afwerki, visited Ethiopian Air Force. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed says the Ethiopian Air Force is a national pride, protecting our airspace and closely working with our ground forces in various scenarios, including national emergencies and natural disasters. My visit today confirmed their demonstrable technological capability and readiness. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and the Eritrean President Isaias Afwerki are visiting the Entoto Natural Park, a recently inaugurated mountainous recreational site in the northern part of Addis Ababa. According to Ethiopian Broadcasting Corporate, the Eritrean president has visited the Entoto Park project twice, during its beginning stage and mid-phase so far, and he is visiting the site for third round after its inauguration. The Entoto Natural Park is one of the greenery and beautification mega projects inaugurated in Addis Ababa next to Unity and Friendship Parks in the capital. President Isaias Afwerki and his delegation have returned home after a 3-day working visit, which was marked by tours to development projects. According to the Eritrean Information Minister, President Isaias Afwerki and Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed held extensive and frank consultations on bilateral cooperation and regional issues, and agreed to deepen their all-rounded cooperation.